Right, so we'll give this another start now. It's for this evening, and a few stones in the back. I'm going to get rid of them in behind the shed for the extension, so we'll see how it starts. I'm not going to use any chalk because it's warm. Started well now in furnace, so I'm going to put this over it now to get it warmed up. This helps her heat up. It's up fierce. All in. I was actually just down for a swim there in the sea. About 800 revs should be enough. Because our key switch is a little bit dodgy, unordered, we'll take our wire straight from the battery there. This is what we have here. Throw in the back. Oh, some nice stones there now for continuing this. So now we're going to go and get another little loading of stones. We're going to go a long way around as well. Since it's such a nice evening, it's glorious, 20 degrees. With the wall. So it's been awful handy now this evening, this little yoke, I have to say. Bringing everything all around the place. Class evening. And I'm sure Holland is niet nach galore, niet bealtene. Only nearly May, but it's seriously nice. Like, it's too nice to go inside. Like, if you just keep trying and trying and trying, you'll always get a nicer fit. That was in there, and it didn't look great. So the next one I'm going to take out is this. I'm going to have these three kind of chunkier and taller. And that's the kind of style I'm going for. That kind of style. Now I'm going to call it an even. The Dohan Dente. Enough done. That's how we've left it there. So three kind of chunky ones, same style. And we're going to continue, maybe tidy up a few more of them there. But that's what we're going to do now. It's just too nice to go in. One of the nicest days of the year, I'd say, here. Chugging away anyway, that's the main thing. So that's where we're at. And we'll find use for them stones as well. So yeah, it's been handy, I have to say now. The clutch needs to be adjusted a little bit. It's still kind of grabbing a bit when you press it down, so I'll give it another bit of an adjustment. I'm sure it's only through using it that you find these things out anyway.